When Mendem first came across Antoinette, she was living in an uncompleted church building with her 2 children.
So these 2 pikine wey get show say na pikine 2 pikine leaves.
Yes, no.
Wetin bring you for Douala?
Thing wey bring me for Douala na this Christ today as we will not get place to stay. We don't go beg place for inside some church. We keep things there for the way they pray. We just the work at turn. The bed was normal. The gives was nothing that we chop out. They will only come back for easy if we can't find places.
So this pikin, how you dey sleep with this pikin for night?
I dey just aim na mattress for them. Then cover you with something. Then when I dey find cover your head and then we sleep.
So how old the pikin dey?
The pikin na 4 months.
So you don't really beg the public na may do for you this pikin dey?
We dey beg na we need the support with financially so that we fit really find small place for hide our head and for even the fry our akatu sell our corner so that we fit replace nothing for chopper.
So how this pikin their papa dey, your family, you no get no person?
No person no dey, their papa no dey.
So say your own mommy wey born no dey?
My mommy be don die.
Pastor Vitalis of the City of the Living God Global Ministry shares some light on Antoinette's plight.
Sister Antoinette and the children came to this church. It's been 4 months now. She came when the younger child, Desiree the baby, was just 1 day old. Just 1 day old. I have never known them before, but they just entered the church after one Sunday service in the night. So when they came, we had no, after interviewing them, by trying to find out from them, after inquiring from them, we understood that they were internally displaced and they had nowhere to go to. So we took them in, and since then, we have been living together as a family. We have been able to provide help in our own little way that we can provide. For instance, feeding, shelter, medical bills. We're talking about medical bills because the baby that she just gave birth to, due to the stress that she went through, she gave birth to that child prematurely at about age of 7 months. That's the child was premature. She gave birth to that child prematurely. So because of that, we had to follow up the child medically to see that the child is stable in health-wise. I'm saying this because the condition under which they are in this church, I myself am not really comfortable with it. Because, for instance, the children are sleeping on a mattress on the floor. In fact, actually, we are taking this video at night when we are about to sleep, so you can see they are sleeping. That's the mattress that they have put on the floor, and this is how they have been, or we have been sleeping since the day they entered the church. So this child has been sleeping like this for the past 4 months. The baby, all of us have slept for the past 4 months on the mattress on the floor like that. You see that the windows are still just with the protectors. There is no lover there to stop the cold and the mosquitoes from getting into the church. So, as I was saying, I'll be very grateful if people can assist them, assist her. People can really support her and the family and the children to start up a business for her. I'll be very happy, and we know it will go a long way to help them.
With assistance from our partners, we paid her rent for 9 months and helped make her rented apartment more homely by providing some of the most essential furniture like her bed. Most importantly, she was given capital and a place to start a hair salon so she can sustainably take care of her family. She is full of gratitude.
To visit my brothers and sisters over there. Almost eating again. I'm Antoinette in my new house. The new house that people pay for me. I want to thank you people over there in Mendem Foundation. I just want to appreciate you people for what you have done. So grateful, so grateful. As you can see, we are staying inside the house. We are enjoying the house. I just pray that God should bless the sense of your hands so that you make it more for others again. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Lendem Foundation, supporting communities.